Hello, precious people of the internet. I hope you all are at peace. Welcome to my English final project video. In today's occasion, I'm going to talk about the process of using National Logistic Ecosystem as an integrated logistics platform. But before I started the explanation, please let me introduce myself first. My name is Khadiva Lycheeka, and I'll go by Lycheeka sometimes. I am a diploma for SA Public Management student, and it's my first year here in Pakistan. I think that is all you need to know about myself. Let's move on to the main topic, shall we? Okay, so in 2020, the government has issued regulation to support the implementation of NLE, or National Logistic Ecosystem. It is Minister of Finance Regulation or Peraturan Menteri Keuangan Nomor 97 PMK 04 2020. This regulation stipulates that NLE supports the collaboration of logistic process on one platform, starting with the completion of sea transport documents, custom clearance, licensing, completion of export documents from the port or SP2, as well as searching for transportation equipment, to the process of warehouse observation. So in this occasion, we are going to talk about a lot of things. One of it is definition and goals, and then we're going to move to strategy and benefit of using NLE, and we are also going to talk about process and impact. Okay, so the first thing that we have to discuss or say is definition. In general, the government continues to work on removing barriers to improvement speed and reducing the cost of the flow of goods in international and domestic trade. One of it which is by creating NLE. NLE is an effort to create an inefficient, simple, inexpensive, and transparent logistic ecosystem. While talking about the goals of NLE as a logistic ecosystem connector aims to harmonize the traffic of flow of goods and international documents from the arrival of the means of transportation until the goods arrive at the warehouse. NLE also catalyzes a logistic ecosystem that has special characteristics, such as Batam Logistic Ecosystem or BLE, which is part of NLE. BLE itself is an example of logistic improvement efforts on Batam Island through an approach to the formation of a logistic ecosystem with interconnected characters in the scope of development. NLE covers four major areas, namely inbound, outbound, domestic, and free trade zone, or what is known as the Batam Logistic Ecosystem or BLE program. This BLE is one of the government's real efforts in promoting the National Economic Recovery Program or PEN, which is one of a series of activities to reduce the impact of conflict on the economy caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. So next we're going to talk about the strategy and process of NLE. NLE is oriented towards collaboration between government and private institutions through the implementation of three main strategies, namely creating efficient regulation and duplication in excellent service standards by implementing simplification and eliminating repetition and duplication in business process. Then collaborating with government service with platforms for business actors in the logistics sector and creating structured strategies. It also provided proper logistics space supported by the information system technology that is able to put digital collaboration or all processes and logistic entities, starting from the process of completing sea and air transportation documents, custom clearance, licensing, completing export documents from ports or SP2, as well as searching for truck transportation equipment to warehouse availability can be done in one platform. The entire series of these processes can be monitored and their performance measured by all entities in the logistic chain and can easily see the process in accordance with the authority. So next we are going to talk about the process of NLE. So NLE introduces a digital collaboration concept that allows logistic entities to connect with governments and other logistic platforms. NLE enriches the role of its platform INSW or Indonesia National Single Window, which was built in 2007 and has succeeded in integrating permits from 15 ministry or institution and facilitating many collaboration between government and work units. NLE itself is able to provide logistic services from upstream to downstream, by facilitating information integration so that is expected to create efficiency and eliminate repetition and duplication. NLE facilitates the logistic flows of goods from outside the custom area to enter the territory of Indonesia. NLE also facilitates the process of exporting goods abroad as well as the movement of goods within the country. The NLE platform connects end-to-end process from the arrival of the ship of the goods to the information warehouse in an integrated and interconnected process starting from the completion of transport documents. Okay, so we're here to talk about the benefit of using NLE. NLE has a single submission or SSM. It's a program for simplification, eliminating repetition and duplication with only one submission by shipping agents. The data will be distributed to each ministry of the relevant institution. Delivery order or DO management, which has been carried out by physically coming directly to shipping agents, but through NLE, cargo owners can manage DO online on the DO platform that is incorporated with NLE. Up to the payment process. NLE also carries out a licensing subsystem that has integrated 15 ministry or institution where business actors will get information related to prohibition and restriction or tracking licenses on and cutting quotas on certain commodities. Through NLE, custom service user can find out in real time the status of custom documents that are part of the next step in the logistic flow. NLE also has SSMQC, which is a program to simplify document submission, as well as a joint inspection program between customs and quarantine, making it easier for importers as well as reducing inspection time and handling costs at the port. Okay, because we already talked about a lot of things regarding the benefit, the definition, and the goals, we are going to talk about the step of using NLE next. Okay, based on validation of custom documents and delivery orders at NLE, cargo owners can manage container release letters or SP2 without having to come directly to the operator's terminal. Cargo owner can choose the platform as desired until the payment process. And after the release of DO, custom documents and the release of SP2 documents, cargo owners can place tracking orders directly through NLE. Ordering is done easily without retyping the container number, and the destination location can be adjusted according to the wishes of both the warehouse destination and the factory destination. Okay, each tracking platform incorporated in NLE provides information on costs and services provided. Cargo owner can choose the desired platform in accordance with the information on cost and service offered. The ordering process and transaction can be carried out to the payment process. After the cargo owner places an order, NLE will issue a gate pass, which the driver will take to the operator's terminal to collect the container. Cargo owner can find out the location on the warehouse as desired and can place orders directly through NLE. NLE also collaborates with the banking system in providing payment solution and financial solutions to this logistic ecosystem. Through the NLE platform, there are document settlement activities and the movement of goods from upstream to downstream. NLE collaboration has been integrated from the ship arrival system, import clearance, transportation, warehousing, and also factories. NLE will also provide a new experience in the case of carrying out of work anywhere in one place. So after placing a delivery order, a people or the cargo owner can have the use of NLE by clicking and fulfilling all the forms that NLE want there to perform. First, you have to manage delivery order by choosing which delivery orders platform that you want to be choosing. And then here we have the checking permit status and document. So we have a lot of multiple columns here. If you have the checklist mark on your request, it means that the checking permit status are already confirmed by the government and the site of the NLE.